Hi AEP 800, this is Cadence Haney, and this is the third video in my series of instructional tutorials for you. So I've been kind of sticking with the quiz strategy here with the Kahoot and then the Edpuzzles where you can play the video that has the questions built in. So now I'm going to show you how to use Quiziz. So Quiz free quizzes. So this one's similar to Kahoot. If you already watched my Kahoot video, where if you click on find a quiz and you type in something like math, there's a bunch of published quizzes on here already that other people have created. So you can click on those and you can actually preview the questions over here. So you can see those questions while you're looking through to see if it's the right level or the right questions that you're wanting to ask your kiddos. Or you can create your own. So I've got my quizzes, mid-chapter 3 quiz, chapter 2 homework quiz. So I tried it out a couple times. I had some pros and cons to using Quiziz, which I'll talk about more in a minute. So I'm going to click on create a quiz. I'm going to name this tutorial demo, add an image. Let's see. I don't think I have any good pictures on here. Sure, let's do that one. 31, okay. Select the relevant class. Yeah, it's for math, okay. And create quiz. Oh, I see. There we go. So, creating new question. Write your question here. What is 2 plus 2? Okay. So you can actually upload an image into the box. This over here is how the students will see it. So if I uploaded an image here, I could just click on that, drag and drop it from my computer. And so if it had like a diagram that you needed to insert in there, you could do that. And then answers. And you check mark the correct one. And then save. And then you can create a new question. So it's really similar to the Kahoot. The main difference is it's not as like a game where you have to have the question someplace where either you're reading it out loud so the kids can hear it, or you're posting it up on the big screen, because the kids only see the boxes on their screen for Kahoot. With Quiziz, they have the question there, they have a picture there, and they can select the correct answer. The con I was referring to earlier, what I discovered is that some kids, if they are using this actually for a quiz, whereas for a grade, when they click that first question, if they get it wrong, kids can get discouraged pretty quickly, because it tells you automatically whether you can set it so it tells you automatically whether they get it right or wrong. So for some of those kids, if they got like the first 2 or first 3 in a row wrong, then I was noticing they would kind of shut down for the rest of the quiz and not even try, and they did way worse. So I kind of stopped using the quizzes after I gave it a try just because of that. But there are some other good things. I'm going to make another question here, and I'll move on to publishing it and show you where you can change those settings. Okay, so then you just click Finish Quiz. Yes, in English. Okay. Let's just say 7th grade. All right. You can share it. So, like I have a couple. So, like I teach the 7th grade math in the afternoon. So the 7th grade math teacher in the morning, if we were going to do the same quiz, I could put his email in there and share it with them. I'm not going to do that though. Let's see. Skip. Okay. So then live game. Here we go. So here's where you can change those game settings. So down here, you can change the timer. You can, so students get more points for faster answers. You can change that. Shuffle the questions. So if you're having kids take a quiz and they're all kind of sitting where they could maybe see each other's screens, I would turn this on. So they might be on a totally different question. Their question number 1 might be the student next to them's question number 5. Shuffling the answer options, same thing. So just kind of keeping kids honest. You can turn the music on or off. It has automatic music, which is kind of annoying for some kids, so I just turned it off. And then after you get the question right or wrong, it has like some little funny pictures afterwards that they kind of enjoy, so I left that on as well. Okay, so there we go. And once again, there's their code. So let me go to, whoops, joinquiz.com. And it's having me enter my name. Game code is right there, which it automatically loaded for me, which is great. Enter. And here we go. So this is what it'll look like for the students. Once everybody's logged in, you can see again how many participants there are, their names, and then you just click start. Okay. So I got points for answering quickly, and there's that funny little meme. All done. And then you get a little score of accuracy. So this is what the kid sees on my end. You can go to downloading your results. You can review the questions, and you can play it again. If you're doing this just for like a review, and you had kind of like some vocab questions on there, and the kids are like, oh, I knew that one. Can we play it again? So you could play it again, have them log in and give it another shot. But yeah, so thanks for watching.